Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back for another video. And for today's video, I'm going on holiday papuntang Greece. Actually, papunta ako sa island of Santorini. Yay! Andito ako ngayon sa Gatwick Airport. Unlike yung mga previous flights ko, no, usually kasi pumunta ako ng madaling araw or mga umaga to take my flight, but for this trip it's my first time to take an afternoon flight, so I'm gonna stay there for 6 days. Yes, pero iba't ibang mga towns and villages naman yung pupuntahan ko within the island, no? So I've done my visa check, security, and nandito lang ako sa may atrium ata nila, and I'm just waiting for the gate announcement. Okay, so I got my luggage na. Yeah, so I only have the backpack and the cabin luggage na. And the gate is here. Pumuna tayo kasi medyo matagal-tagal pa naman yung boarding, mga ano ba, 1 hour. 1 hour? 30 minutes, 1 hour, mga ganun.
Hi, good afternoon guys. Welcome.
Dito tayo sa toilet, guys. Actually, yung flight is 3.5 hours. Nasa Himpapawid na tayo for 1.5 hours. So, 2 oras pa. Dapat. We're now in Santorini. And excited naman ako. Nandito na tayo sa may arrivals and I'm waiting for my sundo. Actually, doon sa hotel na tinitira ako, nagpabook ako ng sundo. So, sila... So, hindi ko alam kung saan. Ayan, nakita ko na. There you go. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Hello.
How are you? Welcome. Are you alone?
Yes, I'm alone. Sorry, I'm filming. All right. Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Vangelis.
Gelis. So, papunta na kami ng parking lot. Pero sabi, the drive is just 10 minutes lang daw from the airport. So, mabilis lang. And then, it cost 25 euros para dun sa airport transfer. Pero okay na rin kasi convenient and yung sabi marami daw tourist pag titik ng bus yung airport shuttle. This one up. Yeah, stay in front. Yeah, yes, thank you.
You want to stay?
Staying for 6 days.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Are you going to visit another island in Greece? Or
I'm planning to. So I don't have like specific plans, but we'll see. So, dito tayo sa hotel. Hello. Thank you. Sorry, I'm filming.
Wait, I'm great. Here is our reception. My colleague Rea is here.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited. I'm really happy.
For that.
It's my first time here.
First time?
Yes,
And
yes.
Greece generally?
Yes, in Greece. First time as well.
Perfect.
So I'm just filming for my
Whatever
YouTube.
you need. No worries at all.
Thank-
So,
Perissa.
yes, the route is Fira, Perissa.
Mhm.
But it stops.
It's
at-
that big.
Exactly, it stops at Pyrgos. And the same the way back, you are at Pyrgos and you take the bus to Fira.
Fira,
And you
okay.
disembark at Carterados.
Okay.
And you embark in Carterados.
Okay.
All buses pass from here.
Okay. Finally, nandito na tayo sa loob ng hotel. Sabi, I'm not sure if it's a hotel. No, I don't think it's a hotel, pero it's a pension house, which is nice pa rin. I'll give you a quick room tour, no? So, ito yung door. Ayan. Then, malit lang siya. So, got the bed here. And then my fridge. Tapos binigay sa akin to kanina. And then, sabi they don't serve breakfast, pero pwede daw umorder through here. Tapos may magdi-deliver. Tapos may mirror. Ayan. May TV. And then, ito, yan, may plancha. Buti na lang. And then, toilet. Ayan. Okay. Sabi, hindi daw potable ang water. So, bottled water lang. Ayan. And then, may terrace pala. Ayan. Natin ang view. Ay. Ay. Okay. Yung labas. Ito yung araw. Hindi masyadong kita pero nakita mo yung mga white buildings. Tapos merong church na malapit with the which is really nice. Oh my God, sobrang excited na ako. It's, alam mo oras na. It's 6:30 ng gabi, ng hapon. So what I'm gonna do is freshen up lang konti and then i-explore ko lang yung neighborhood and later I'll have my dinner sa Fira. Ayan. Medyo fresh na tayo ng very, very light and ready to go na and explore itong neighborhood. So, nandito ako sa village ng Carterados, which is katabi lang siya ng capital, which is Fira. Okay, so what I plan to do is go to the bus stop and then take a bus going to Fira. Sabi kasi walkable naman daw siya, but hindi siya recommended kasi tirik pa yung araw. So, hindi siya convenient. So, we'll take the bus instead. Tsaka, para mapabilis din kasi mag-alas 8 na ng hapon dito. Ayan, nandito tayo sa may terrace. Nakita ko lang yung view. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Grabe naman po. Ayan. Ayan yung araw. Hindi siya kita pero ayan, mga buildings ng Blue Dome and then may church pa dito. Ayan. So maglalakad lang ako papunta ang bus stop and then go from there. Excited na ako. Ganda naman dito, sobrang ganda. At sa Staray, may bugambilya pa sila. Tapos ito yung may parang lounge sa labas. So. And then here as well. Tsaka may pool pala. Sabi, pool is open from 9 to 8 daw. Ayan. It's nice. Stay lang ako dito for 5 nights. And then I booked it via Airbnb. Ayan siya. Airbnb lang siya. Pero ang ganda niya. Ganito siya sa labas. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi pag nag-book ako ng hotel sa mismong Fira, nakita ko yung mga prices. Ang mahal. So, okay na to. Tapos sabi pala ni ate kanina dito, careful lang daw sa paglalakad kasi walang catwalk. Walang catwalk. Walang sidewalk. Walang pavement. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa gilid ng kalsada. Tapos ito, may mga sasakyan nasa likod. So, pay attention daw. Ayan. So, ingat-ingat na lang. Tsaka medyo makikita yung mga daan. Siguro may ordinance dito na hindi, dapat puti lang yun. Puti lang yung kulay ng buildings dito, bawal ibang kulay. And then, yung mga blue domes, ayan. So, dapat mga churches lang din pwede. Ay, may cafe. Tsaka parang convenience store. Okay, good. Ang ganda ng location ko kasi maraming mga restaurants, cafe. And then mga shops that serve traditional Greek food. Okay, good location. Pero again, hindi siya sa capital mismo ng Santorini, which is Spira. Andito tayo sa village ng Carterados. So yun yung katabi. Not really katabi, pero sa malapit. Ayan, naisip ko lang pala, no? So yung travel requirements pala, well, the usual passport and then yung plane ticket mo. And then in terms of visa, so I used the same Schengen visa when I went to Croatia. So originally yung Schengen visa ko, kinuha ko kasi siya sa Spain. And then that Schengen visa, pwede mo siyang gamitin to visit all EU countries. And then usually they give 6 months. So for the third time, 6 months ulit yung binigay nila sa akin. Ayan. And then eventually I plan to visit Spain naman before the visa expires. That's it. Okay, nandito na ako sa bus stop. Ayan. Hindi masyadong obvious pero ganyan daw. Yan. And then ito yung stop papuntang Fira. However, when I check my itinerary, parang feeling ko kaya ko pang i-delay yung Fira for tomorrow. Kasi nakita ko parang very lively naman ang Carterados. Change of plans na lang muna. So I think I'm gonna explore Carterados muna. And then bukas na lang ako mag-Fira. Since alas 8 na. Sabi kasi yung mga buses daw dito until 10:30 PM na. So parang feeling ko medyo mabibitin ako if pupunta ako ng Fira and then after a few hours babalik ulit ng Carterados. So might as well ikutin ko na lang muna yung center ng Carterados since ang daming pwedeng mga kainan dito. And then I think medyo kita naman yung sunset. We'll see. Okay, so ganun na lang. Ito yung timetable ng local buses. Ayan. So makikita mo yung schedule nila dito. Tsaka yung ruta. Ayan. Ayan. Ganito kalsada nila guys. Ayan. Tapos itong part na to merong sidewalk. Pero hindi lahat ng kalye may ganito. I think yung main road lang, I'm not sure. Sa kabila wala eh. Ayan o. Dito. So I'm gonna go to Caterinas. Kasi sabi nung receptionist kanina, nagsiserve sila ng Greek traditional Greek food. Ayan. Tumuwi daw kanina sa may pedestrian lane. So tumitigil naman pala sila kapag may tatawid sa pedestrian lane. Akala ko dire-diretso na rin sila para sa Pinas eh. Grabe, na-excite na ako. So ganun na lang gagawin natin guys. So, dito muna tayo sa Carterados. And then bukas na tayo ng umaga magpunta ng Fira. So buong araw na tayo mag-Fira. Para chill. So, ganoon naman talaga pag nagta-travel. No? So, kung ano yung nakaplano mo, it doesn't mean na yun talaga yung masusunod. So, sometimes you have to make some changes. Depende kung ano yung convenient or kung ano yung allowable based on kung anong merong oras. Okay, ito na pala yung Caterinas. So, restaurant siya talaga. So let's see. So nandito ako ngayon sa may Caterinas na and I'm having my beer. Ayan. So Greek beer. So they call it Mythos. So, ayan, cheers. It's my first meal here in Greece. So excited na ako. So I got the tomato fritters. Ayan. Ito imagine, tomato to. Anyways. Dito na sa yogurt na may oil ata to. Alam, sarang nga pa. Love it.
You want to keep it, huh?
Oh yeah. Yay, thank you. Okay. So this is chicken souvlaki. May salad, and then your dressing, and then pizza. Oh my God. Looks absolutely amazing. Hala, ang lambot naman ng chicken nito. Ang lasa ng manok fairness. Love it. Try natin yung pita. Meron silang complimentary liquor. Sabi ni Kuya, liquor of mastika. Ayan. Isang shot. Okay, cheers. Nice. May sipa. May guhit. Pero matamis-tamis naman siya. Sarap. Okay, solved naman for my first meal in Greece. So I had tomato fritters, chicken souvlaki with yogurt and salad, and then beer. And all in all naman, it's 31 euros. Medyo pricey siya in a bit. Medyo pricey ng very, very light. So 31 euros, mga ilang pounds yun? Mga 25, 26 pounds ata, mga ganun. Ako naman, pag bumabiyahe ako, usually, kumakain ako sa labas or nag-spend talaga ako ng pera for a meal once a day. Yan. So, ang technique ko is mag-late breakfast ako. Ayan. Tapos, yung late lunch ko, parang yun na yung bonggang kain ko for the day. So, pwedeng sit down restaurant o basta medyo pricey siya. And then, mag-ano na ako. For dinner, siguro maliit na, siguro small meal na lang for dinner. Usually, bibili na ako sa... And then for dinner, bibili na lang ako ng something mula sa supermarket. Basta hindi ako masyadong gagastos pagdating sa sa breakfast at dinner. So bubongga ako talaga dun sa mga late lunch, ganyan. Pero minsan naman twice a day ako kumakain. Ayan. So twice a day lang. So late breakfast tsaka super late lunch. Parang early dinner na niya siya. Ayan. Para makatipid. Pabalik na ako sa my pension house / hotel. So walking distance lang naman talaga siya mula sa parang sentro nila. Which is very good, very convenient. No? It's already 9:30 p.m. dito sa Greece. And we're 2 hours ahead of the UK, no? Pero, kung titingnan, 9 o'clock, madilim na dito compared sa UK. 9:30, maliwanag pa. So, that's it for my first day here in Greece. Nandito ulit ako sa my pension house. And I think I'm gonna spend the next few hours resting. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And see you tomorrow.